The PNI House IP810 POE NVR is a network video recording device designed to provide high-quality video surveillance and intelligent functions. It supports up to 10 4K 8-megapixel channels, including 4 POE channels and 6 IP channels, offering exceptional image clarity and simplified installation thanks to POE Power over Ethernet technology. Among the most important technical features of the PNI House IP810 NVR are support for IP cameras up to 8 megapixels, 8.265 video compression that significantly reduces file size without compromising image quality, and expanded storage capacity thanks to support for large capacity hard drives. The device also allows real-time viewing and management of video streams through intuitive Windows software, Easy VMS, and dedicated mobile applications, P6 Lite. One of the main advantages of the PNI House IP810 NVR is the integration of AI functions, which include motion detection, facial recognition, and personalized alarms. These advanced features allow users to always be aware of what is happening in the monitored area and react quickly to any incident. In addition, compatibility with the OMVIF protocol ensures easy integration with a wide range of IP cameras from different manufacturers, thus offering a complete and customizable solution for any surveillance need. Thanks to its ability to manage a large number of cameras and provide high-resolution images, this NVR is suitable for anyone who wants to ensure efficient and reliable video surveillance. Whether installed in a store, factory, or residence, the PNI House IP810 NVR offers security and peace of mind through its superior performance.